Okay, guys, we're going to do a tag table on here. I know it's not listed as tag table, but that's what it is. First of all, we're going to open the previous document or the previous program that we did on the last assignment here, and mine is listed as unlabeled seal-in circuit. So I'm going to open that. There it is. It's basically the same assignment that you just got through doing. Hopefully you saved it. If you didn't, go ahead and redo it here. And what we're going to do is label all this stuff, but we're going to do it all at the same time by filling out a table. So I click on the edit button, and there's a spot on here that says input output names. We're going to click on that. And here is our tag table. Later on, when you get to more complex PLC programming, some of the stuff that they actually use out in industry and everything, they're going to have tag tables, and these are real common. So you need to know what this is and what the name of it is, so that if you run across it later on, then you'll be able to do your programming on it. Now, I/O, input output. So we're going to do input 1, and that's going to be our up start button. So we can type that in, up start PB. I2 is our stop PB. And I3 is our down start PB. Over here on Q1, right now by the way, we're adding this down start PB because I'm going to show you how to add some programming, and you get to use the tag table to make your programming simpler if you put these names in first. On Q1, which is an output, the first one is going to be red indicator light. And Q2, which we haven't used before, is going to be the orange indicator light. Okay, so now we've got our tag table filled out, and we're going to go ahead and do some quick programming on here. Click OK, and you can see that all our labels are automatically put on there. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add another rung, and that's in your assignment. And I'm going to call this one the let's see, the I3 down start PB. And I'm going to add a relay coil here. And that one is going to be the orange indicator light. You can see it automatically populated that with Q2 orange indicator light. Now we've got to put our wires on there. This goes over to our hot rail. This goes up to our output. Okay, and now we're done. So that made that a lot easier on the programming, and it automatically has all these labels on there for you, so you don't have to type that every single time. You just type it one time in the tag table and you're done. I'm going to download this to the PLC, which is going to take a minute. Okay. Click OK, and my PLC is in run mode, so it's going to ask me if I want to change it to stop mode. I'm going to click yes. Change it back to run, click yes. And now I'm going to go online with it right here. See, all this stuff gets simpler as you go along. You just keep working at it and it gets easier. All right. Now we're online, and as I push the buttons here, we can see it physically, and we can also see it on our program. So there's my red indicator light, and here's my down push button that lights up the orange light as well. And my stop push button works too. So good luck with this one. Have fun.